truck talk videos is having.
Tell you what it is, if you get 10 or more right today.
Not exactly the worst job in the world, is it?
Of your choice to the nation.
It is, and of course a V8.
Red. Hello?
Put the speaker on. Then you have to press it again.
What?
Press.
Paul, we're just at the gates nearly now.
Press the speaker.
Hello?
And then you can turn into Haulage Yard.
Sorry, Paul, I didn't have my speaker on. I've never used this before.
I have.
Alright. The gate's just opening now.
Alright, pal, we're just going to turn off Shore Road. 450 yeah. You might get to like on Paul. Never used that. No.
That is an ex-Richard King, that. Those are lucky. Right next to an S. Top videos, they're down at the pickup yard. And of course the flat floor as well. So I will admit, as much as I want a girlfriend, I'm sitting in a Streamline right now. It's a V8 as well, and when you're actually here at the yard, pick up freight services yard, who needs one? I'm right at home here, and it's not exactly the worst job in the world, is it? So this is the interior. I would love to tell you what all the switches and buttons do. It's also a bunk as well. Of course, as you can see on the seats, it's embroiled, isn't it? I think it's the 620. Richard used to run a massive fleet of 620s, so as far as I know, this is 620. It's actually just a show pony, but absolutely beautiful. So yeah, more Haulage Yard Tours coming up, finally. Hopefully the next Haulage Yard Tours we've got is Chris Bennett's yard as well, down in Stockport, heavy haulage. So we'll speak to Anthony and we'll see what's what then. Much better out into the light, isn't it? One of Richard King's X ones. Shore Road in Oldham. We're going to come down to the yard again sometime and get some more cracking videos.